Spiritual husband not who you. Now your hello everyone. I'm me, and a sister, and a friend, and a girl, BB Brother Concepts. And a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you watch from. Welcome all of you today. May you try watch this video to the end. May you forget the real content of this video. You go understand the thing while they talk. Today now I want to talk about why some beautiful girls not they marry. Why some beautiful ladies not they marry. I don't think this thing thinker. You will see woman way fine. When I mean beauty, you will be woman safe. You go see how you go no say, ah, this lady fine. If na height o, na shape o, everything, you go see some of them, they not go marry. They not see husband. I see so men, their eye blind, they not see this fine lady like this. Sometimes they will say na home problem, they will say na Obanji, and get spiritual husband, all those kind of things. I can't reason something come out. More than reason this thing with me. One, na high taste they cause am for them. Their taste too much. The kind man wey dem dey look for, you sef go say, ah, this type dem create am. You see woman wey be say he fine, he do everything, he go school, join herself. They smart. If you talk, you know say this person is educated and smart. The kind man wey dey fine, if you ask am, even as he still dey find the husband, so wey they say not get husband, you not see who marry am. If you ask am the kind person wey dey fine, least way go draw for you. He must get money. He go handsome. He go dey like this. He go do like that. The one wey not even call handsome, their main thing wey dem dey call na he must get money. If it be say not be their destiny, you fine, God create you tall, fine, get shape, everything. You get sense, join am. Not be some way go find, they not get. These ones go still fine, get sense. Sometimes, if it be say God create man way not fine, may you say for beautify the lineage. Nobody will not like man first we get money. No woman will not like money. But it dey two types. Sometimes some go take am like say if the man not rich, they not fit marry. They not fit marry am. Then born the person born money. That man where you want die for, where they say na that kind one you want. When them born, he carry money come out from a mother womb. Not be work a worker. So why you not believe on that one we not get today? Say tomorrow if he gets. Bible say he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing and obtaineth favor from the Lord. So what did they make now come to say no, I don't want suffer, I don't want that kind of person we not get now come meet you today. Can we just be friends? You don't know where they go. Next thing the day we go tell you say can you be my girlfriend? Not know your mate, you don't know your class. Look me finish head reach grand. Now you they talk to me. You go they talk, they tell your friends that they love the man. Say now that kind one. I will never chop belly full. Where you should be like this, I swear to God. Where you do like this, he do like that, he bend like this, he not bend like that. Which class? Say you fine. You now woman, you fine, you get money, you go school. You don't become class for a man day. That same person you go hear later say he hammer. You come they say, oh, people dey home, village people, and they homie. That spiritual husband, nah. Leave spiritual husband, you know who you, and you hold yourself. Greed, no good. The man fit marry you, he poor, he marry you, he become rich. Favor start to come. Bible talker. That man, you feel baff am up. Your favor fit change the man. He will become person. Some go say, what of the one they don't suffer with finish? He can't leave the woman come out. Someday like that, we know. But sometimes, waiting they make those men still dey leave woman wey dem don suffer with. That time wey you dey help the man wey the man not get, how you dey? Were you bossy? You do like the oga, dey command, dey do everything. Na you dey put the rules and regulation because say na you hoe, because say na you dey help the man. That kind man you go see and say, this marriage no go work. Say see, because say na you dey help, you dey command. If he not tell you, you now go say na dey move well. The man dey see and say, I know if he bear this kind of thing. When the man go get, he go leave you. You say because anything happen in future again, that way you experience, that time way you not get, now you go still experience. So think back, when you dey help that man, when that man not get, where you suffer with, how the relationship, how you dey approach and how you dey act to am. You dey humble with your own riches, with your own wealth, you dey humble. Or you dey make people they know say na you be the oga patapata of them all. Na you be the head, na you be the breadwinner, na you be this one. So make you think am, na they make some men they leave woman where they don't suffer with. Because that time when they suffer with the woman, they still get eye. Eye where they say eye where they cry, they see road. So e dey for that suffer, they manage with you. You see, they look your character. Say how this person dey. You dey use the situation where you dey take the yab am. All those things fit the minus punto, the minus mark from the relationship. You say, this thing no go work. I know say some people are naturally wicked. So, but maybe say you try, it not work. You dey humble everything, it not still work. You know say that person not be your own. The one will be your own go stay. And the next thing again, now their beauty, they enter their head. Some of them. Their beauty. You go look yourself for mirror, the way fine. You say, this one not be any man go talk to. You know those things. Beauty will enter your head. And parents still the people they cause this thing. As they are their picking small, they tell them say, you this your beauty. What you go do for this family? You na the breadwinner of this family. Now you go be this, now you go be that. You know, not just take rubbish from any man. As you find rich like this, as you it enter the picking head. Say not just carry poor man come for this house with this your beauty. Yes, nobody pray make a pikin bring poor person. But sometimes the person might be poor. When one join her together, it will change. And being poor, so you see food eat. What you want do, you feed do. Not be say you must build all the whole houses ready for the world. You must get all the cars. You must do this one. Live comfortable life. You dey healthy. You dey happy. You see food chop. You see where you put your head. Roof. Cover your head. They manage. They want do competition. As I be fine get the kind car I suppose they get. This. No. Sometimes you know they be like that. Everybody's destiny not be the same. Not be say because say you fine, your destiny must be fine one. Person wey come ugly, now you go still marry person wey poor, come still marry the one wey world. Waiting, God swear for am. Sometimes again, on way still fine, still know say situation, it might be say your destiny not dey like that. That man wey you see say he ugly, you now go come still use your own beauty to make the children fine. You now you get sense past the man, you still apply the brain for the family. Things go balance. The man short, you go still help, the family go take top. And who tell us say now top person now they become president or governor, or they become better thing, doctors. Now your brain. Say God give you healthy pikin. Not say the pikin must talk, the pikin must do this one, the pikin must fat, the pikin must slim, the pikin must Say pikin will get wisdom, knowledge, understanding, fear of God. The next one, some of them, these beautiful ladies, character not dey. They not dey get attitude at all. Even the way they will talk to woman, their mate self, woman like am. Because say e feel say the fine not be here. The man talk is he go set neck. Who dey set neck for? Today now, who dey suffer am? That man wey you leave, maybe when you say you don't want, you go don't go marry. Even sometimes you go come say yourself, we man wey be not fine, you go baff the woman up, the woman go come set. You now come dey look at you like say, learn to get patient. You not create person where you take they know in destiny. The thing that affects many for year, we make many ladies not marry for abroad. They will see that man will come, will be say, you know, get, maybe he just come new or things they rough for him. That one talk to her. Who are you talking to? Don't just near me. This, you don't know your mates. You don't do this one, that one, that. You don't know your class. You with your friends go they laugh the man. See the one when they talk to me. They say that one will never fit chop. And they talk to you. Tomorrow you go here say hammer. You can't they do face like say they find where he pass. May you forget and good afternoon, sir, good evening, sir. He not go see you that time, he not they see you again, self. You wanna learn. They will say many of them they leave them for abroad. When they don't suffer with them, finish, they don't help them, the men will just leave them. Check your character. That time one a day, how you take day with them. Some the man will tell you say the kind of work where you they do, when you leave that work. Say wanna try manage. Say he no go like that kind of work. Like the ones where be say maybe then they work all this street work. Or this pro something. The guy say you know one. You will say how we go take manage? He say but me will try anyway manage, but this work I not like him. You go say no, I don't feel leave this work. Oh, how I go take survive? How I go take do this one? No, I don't fit to if that one make you cuckoo go. The man go still go hustle himself, go do the way he know say you want. Still find girl wey be say he not still he tell and say stop, or the one we not do, he will still carry am. The two go they manage, they patch and tomorrow they will come make am. You say the see waiting home problem cause for you, or that spiritual husband I make you not listen that time. Spiritual husband not who you. Now your stubbornness and your greed ain't who you. Not just call any spiritual husband. You leave that one aside. And another one again, not they still be their problem. Now the men problem that one be. The men will come feel say as the woman fine, men go they rush am too much. They'll say if I marry this one, not be problem I marry for house. Other men go they put eye for him body. They'll come say that one way be say like a kite, now they want. That one we just there anyhow. We rough, now they want. Maybe for be say just deal with them. But those kind of men, they very, very selfish. Now those kind of men, they still go outside, go carry the fine ones. They go do those fine ones as girlfriends. They'll come marry the ugly one to for house. That one, you know, say some men still they cause them. But first make sure say your own side don't good. When I try, who watch this video may know. If you get where you the mistake and maybe say you all your mind now, all your prayer now, God give me rich husband. Maybe your destiny now that woman maybe say when you come into a man you will change in life. So if you they pray that one say God give me rich husband, you know they enter. So they pray, say, God, let your will be done in my life. He said his thoughts for us are thought of good and not of evil. Who can talk to you? Okay. One are they looking? You put time for prayer. One are they looking? You now you act well. You must not be rich person before he must marry you. Who are talking? He said, know me when I'm poor, not when I'm rich, to claim relationship. At least you go knock hand for just say, when I know this person, you know, get now mute and hustle am. He go even Get respect. If una get misunderstanding, say yes, everybody get misunderstanding. Say misunderstanding dey, at least you don't delete one side where you go say you be gold digger. Because you no first get gold wey dem dey dig when you know. So now na 12 na work for the good. You understand? So no be, I no say make person not marry rich person. No. When rich person talk to you, say you no go marry you. I not talk that one. But not make am priority say na rich person must be your husband. Na him must marry you as you find rich. Because say your parents tell you say no just carry poor man rich here. You will say no, not be they go laugh. Oh, that my sister marry rich person. Or this my friend marry. Not be competition. Life not be competition. No. Everybody come your own. Everybody carry in head. Come. Your friend head not be you carry. Now your own you carry. Live your life. Competition not good. If you see person they do well, it motivates you. Not make am say it must be like that. Always say, God, may your own destiny shine. Make God, make that make it perfect will be done in your life. Your destiny may come out. Copy not good. One be like person. Not the good. Most times if they backfire, it's not the good. One be like this person. Be yourself. Then laugh you say you person you marry no get money. Now the person get your life. In own, if you get money, you know the peace not there. If you come out, you don't use powder, foundation, tape block all your face. You think say, hey, you go just open teeth, they shine now. When you don't pull lipstick, teeth go come the bright, you go come the smile. Say all is well. When you reach house, your eye go swear. You can never see that kind of person without makeup. Because when makeup not there, you go see all those in face where swear where they cry for night. You now go come they say you want to be like that. Marry your husband, una dey manage on yourself. So for una dey healthy. Una dey healthy, una seafood chop. One day, it go better. One day, it go better. Na so it just be. Now wetin I see my tell una. Make parents suffering. No just bring poor pikin come this house. No poor man come this house. Wanna take it easy. Una still get son. Sometimes now una son no get. Okay, who come born that one wey get where your pikin wan carry come? Not be person go marry your son wey no get. Wanna take it easy, not be so. The thing they affect most of our ladies. The thing they affect them. That's the I come talk today. If you get any word where I use where you una not like, as usual they tell una beg, wanna leave the word, wanna take me, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl. Wanna drop on a comment and on our own opinion, on our own view for the comment section below. Wanna share the video, you will they watch for the first time, I beg you, may you try subscribe. For those who don't subscribe, I say God bless all of you now. I will see you people in my next video. God bless you.